Hey YouTube, it's Joe. I'm at a friend's house. He's got, looks like maybe a 70 Thunderbird 4-door. It's actually in pretty nice shape. It's got a lot of surface rust here and there. It does have some issues. It needs a couple of different pieces of chrome. Needs the lower edge of the right front fender redone. I think the biggest part of the door would be just sand out and maybe a little bit of fill here and there. The back quarters are not rusted through, but they do have some bubble up. Chrome is not terrific around the back. It does have rust through on the first part of the back passenger side quarter panel and along the edge. It does have a crease on the trunk lid, which I think could be hammered and dollied out with a little bit of fill. The back bumper and tail lights look really good. I don't know how many years it's been since this car has been registered on the road, but I'm saying between 20 and 30 years. It's supposed to have no low mileage on it. I'd have to take a look at the odometer. Driver's side quarter panel is about the worst part. Could be fixed, but maybe some patch panels might be a better idea. The top is in great shape. No rips or tears. All the glass is good. The chrome is in presentable condition. The hood just has a couple of spots of surface rust. The driver's side front fender also has the bubble up rust, maybe a little bit of rust through in it. And the chrome on this side is in pretty decent shape. I like the fact that it's got the old suicide doors. I think those are neat. And I'm going to try to get this door open. The outside handle is not working. The door panels are in very nice shape. The dash is perfect. The seats are very good. It is showing 56,000 miles. All the cluster looks great. The seats are amazing. This car would not take a lot of work to make a real nice driver out of it, as well as a nice cruise-in car. I normally don't use my phone for videos, but since I'm here and it's here, it does have a dent here that could be pounded out. A little bit of putty, not a lot. But the car itself is in very good condition. I mean, this is one that I think I'm going to talk to him about. So if you all have any ideas or exactly what year it is, or about how hard it would be to find what few patch panels this thing needs, drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know. Thanks YouTube, you all have a great day.